ner mala kenyam mala kurunwang wala chanka jandang rawide baroka pay badak ron kina dang rawide jandang rawide dich there ner mala kenyam de yener yene diala konti linga roine gwasme ka Nuer online TV channel go rejan go de kon roine titi de kon kelinga jan gwasme ani channel linga mat katin konti lat karodian gwasme ne channel.
How did the mutiny start and what actually caused it?
The mutiny in Tori? Well, on the 15th of August, Emidio Tafeng, Second Lieutenant Emidio Tafeng, was asked to come to Juba to come and take the salaries of the soldiers from Juba to Torit. They suspected that he was the leading man in the rebellion. The atmosphere was not well. So when Tafeng arrived here, he was hand-clapped,
He was
arrested, put in the plane, flown to Khartoum, from Khartoum to Port Sudan, where he was in prison, detained. That caused uneasiness. The news leaked that Tafeng was actually arrested.
Shanen me tuɔk Torit ka gwase dan ala kwerkel na me sheremi a nyanya movement dan e tuɔk dio je shereke 1955 I think changol badak ka paiba changol badak ka paiba ron kiskele kurbang wanu jandi jude dich gwade dan e sha Danish Southern Sudan troop jagalat ki Equatoria region Mesha tuɔk no mo then chagu jeno rama me jala kwede nyamo so gorke jeno jende jakef jalamne ko gwasi da 1955 ko Torit re yuke Juba and Torit Juba wuke ye wuke meridi kan gote konte chok ngwana togoten no mishala Torit mutini jan je jaroda ke jan changa pay konte changa wal badaka pay badak ron kit kele ko bangon jende yurdich. Now, when Southern troop in the Equatorial Corps rebel against the Northern-dominated Sudanese administration in Torit. So, Michigan Mela did te konde tere wisha ka Torit ngwane ne te konte la Junubin, you know, and Guasamone, chicken go jeno de Carodian jelaken koken changa ka jagalong ne jalam. So, mechi tuɔk chu jalam yen go jeno okay. Right now, queer entity banager pel banager no which you know allo de jenung there bere which kajuba chwa pel no be yo ba banang la salary pel gana jela pel okay mi cha pelo wa bene ya kemne je Sudanese soldiers sha kemne ka jana mon ya kebone jana ka Torit ko gwe jana jela master behind the the rebellion and would more me ya capture nang nang naka Khartoum from Khartoum cha nang ka Port Sudan cha yo yena tongomi me yeno ngai Sudanese no dong be ne kon ne char te ne ka Torit te la de ne Southern troops biga bit chicken kore ka better ko cha kore cha je yen gui kano biga dwal kan ne to but unfortunately kan no ba koren ba de yen from there shimutini cha chu tuɔk chu kordi chu tuɔk re wecha ka Torit chu deni yo kan na mayu yat jalam nin wenmo kor mo chu ne ka Juba chu ka ye chu ka Meridi chu ka the Southern town gwadamo chu first Sudanese civil war chu you talk now ngayen ma tuɔk kwer me chaje yen neke la ken retaliate la ken agoro buko kor cause nete menaka ye dara kulo gwaide cha kwerun chaje yen wa bede kwerun cha yen and this event why it is considered one of the earliest army confrontation between South Sudanese forces and Northern authorities ka gwade dan ke 1955 bele nyok mugorje and wode kon linkele nyok again then bana kulo woni am kutin ko lat kon gwade meni jite fal ping be pele jite ping ka liang de agwa
How did the mutiny start?
Mutiny tuɔk tuɔk. How did the mutiny started in Torit? Kontuɔk Torit by the way, Kor South Sudan Keliu, me ba South Sudan kulo gor koroniam.
And what actually caused it?
Now listen carefully. Wa angutu among Korka Torit ko kona root cause of everything. They took a kien they ka solve kaja. You know? Man took do ni siang me atare angach. Ki charam rin chara ngai gwas me lingano take a mediator rating. Loika na mar ka ki latke reconciliation ki kwana mediate. Lakini lenita ye dan eke duarche tuoka je anyok mugoro jeno ba ngaji no korba tuoba but we ye dan esha kon tuoka je medan batara kon ngai kedo. Ko eventually it gonna happen again, right? So ko kujamo cha kuluna what caused the Torit mutiny? Mechi tuok kam jalamne kana Southern Sudan ki Southern ki junubin lengneja.
The mutiny in Torit. Well, on the 15th of August, Emidio Tafeng, Second Lieutenant Emidio Tafeng,
on 15 August, 1955, I believe, there, take a garmishal ke Second Lieutenant Emilio Tafeng, and on. Wajen charge tije no dara work Juba. He was asked to come to Juba. Why? Nga cholo Cholo de ni jalabne. Cholo kware kone tenyam. Gurga jeno jente ga mbalet keje. But chapel, kule pele de challenge lingwadam.
Was asked to come to Juba to come and take the salaries of the soldiers.
Now, Cha Emilio Tafeng charge teach which tanitatin charge jina bere wiki Juba benang salaries ke yodene go take the top lincoln winami to let denye kaja chawl yojina ber pel ke jaje ber come ber ke Juba biyo bika benang buge denye ku bika nongyo like something magwalo she jadi merejak ko michao yo to yo de nangalarana wo ko you thought that no more magwa telejilare ko shal kan jiga ted no banang yo de ne
from Juba to Torit
yo der ka kan ga Juba der ka nanga Torit right from Juba to Torit yo salary we kan ka Juba ba ko nanga Torit gwa dan de ni ka tigaten.
They suspected that he was the leading man in the rebellion. The atmosphere was not well.
Do be da shal ke jeje do ber ka Juba jen ko Torit ber ka Juba benang salary wajen charge suspect ki charge gujiro jaram dana to rebellion ke te ga ko te don wan lat karodian ajeber and then wa en gwado makeli ala chiang chagwa kam ne ko ne shar gan jalam ne chagwa that time.
So when Tafeng arrived here, he was hand-clapped,
was
arrested, put in the plane, flown to Khartoum, from Khartoum to Port Sudan, where he was in prison, detained. That caused uneasiness. The news leaked that Tafeng was actually arrested. And the movement order for number 2 company to come to Juba and from here by steamer to Khartoum was on. Was issued. But the soldiers, the atmosphere was conducive, was not good. Suspicion and tension prevailed. Somebody called Wakil Bulkamin Saturnino, he actually shot the Liwa. He laid in ambush with an arrow and shot the Liwa. That was Amir Alai Ismail Salim.
Amir Alai Ismail Salim.
Yeah, he was shot, but he shot somebody, the post office officer. He he mistook him for the Liwa.
He shot somebody different, but not the Liwa.
Not the Liwa. So that was the beginning of the situation. And on the 18th of August, the soldiers were paraded. Number 2 company was paraded to come to Juba, and the soldiers were hesitant. The company commander was a northerner called Salah Abdel Majid, Captain Salah Abdel Majid. He ordered the drivers to get into their trucks so that the soldiers could climb and they drive to Juba. The drivers were hesitating. He was so nervous, he shot his driver in the hand. That shot made the soldier to despair.
Ramura Jemlin Jordan, General Joseph Lago Yacobo, let con Menan to read a measure like Guasidan just correct.
From there, ran to the arms stores, broke the arms stores, took arms and started shooting their commanders. Miralai Ismail Salim ran to the police and he was actually rescued by then police captain Nicola Oboya. It was Nicola Oboya who rescued him and ran with him to Uganda, saved him. And the rest, those who remained there, were all massacred. And when they finished killing the officers, they went to the town and started shooting any northerner they can find, men, women, and children. That was the situation. The record, I have it in the book here.
In the book?
Yeah. Nicola is now is getting old. He can tell you the details of it. How he tried to run through Katire, and then they found that the mountain, they couldn't, Ismail Salim could not walk. He had to race again, returning towards Juba, and then taking the Kiala Road, and then taking him up to Ikotos and so forth.
Go ahead, Mishaling, Maria Gedana, she talk, Juba, Torit, Manquala Shol, and go, courage to come nenti char kan jalam no kagwase dan la Torit Mutini. That was August 1955. She remained Shalim was me would watch Uti Equatoria, Mengete Condicio de Lad. A la Turin Mutini, Jan Talker, 18 August 1955, Kajoidan and Charlotte. Come the Southern troop, can the Equatoria Corps rebel against the Northern dominated Sudanese administration and Torit. And Guadamo major core major to encourage allowing more to deck pin to Juba to chop to Kaye to Meridi and other southern town. I'm a good corn Guadaman Banling Guadamela listen, but did a corner. La queer me la queer de Nico quite suspect no Jenny Ramadan and dong to a core by a cab by the yen shedaman Shannon charge a Kevin Woodame charge a Nangnika Khartoum from Khartoum Choka Port Sudan. After that, Mesha decide neck as you can do no tell them the cook. Native yan karam, weekend and one, you know, weekend and no tell them malaria. There are good no tell a problem, tell them malaria, you know, a la quid in Mesha yen, Kira Mukwer Mecha yen, then la problem, netunga laka toka. No. And yok, Bukon yoka rikte konde sharen balat between Torit and Juba December 2013. Shukon kore dana chichori wiki Juba chan jenen. Okay. Tuok behre wiki Juba. You know. Kore dana tuok kam nuääri kan jang tuok ke Juba, then chunetung meche raft ke Juba and guadamo chu korba chu nyogo jien chu sprit chu neke Eastern Equatoria. No. Guadamo ka to read book again December 17 maybe now kunega 15 16 ka Juba no you nate on it and winami you gonna go no be can tired and you go to you begin your gum can so we all have seen that cordial contour which South Sudan so much it can and will be called begin to which ka Juba no okay we go to read ke book to we South Sudan and like a 2 18 contin jengnakan Native content chagorno ba powering by your questioning. Tiran chagorian will take a temrodian me de lare me take a mishalata then lana goro let me just rule without being questioned. Teram vegetation o jin a ngum letting me kaja nobody then be rule kadobadan guje kaja, you know. And then many and tem to core one take a 3 weeks or Sudan can it con qua target can worry kadobadan and shunken kel kaja code now they can take a mile weeks or Sudan ten the charge go to go they can so they can write a bomb. And then many and tem Rickton one take it in tell them la order. So 2013 ko reche tuɔk je ko 2013 mo kam Dr. Machar kene kir mi yadit ngai kon diala no misha plan kir ko jin me gor jen wo wi kwara danen kun tle tekne ka wi jakap ke wi yen ka bi ka bom no mo telm de din la no no binat bi te kor ke belia betuɔk no ko ne to one they can learn kite konte show the lot, you know, the ngajen ram dan and talk to the alanga kir jara me dan e weather Dr. Machar che de ni ka show ko cap, you know, re we ka juba 2013 dan ko kan disam kana me ken ka yena Dr. Machar so she de ni show logo no ba Dr. Machar pa je yen and that's it and gwad ma show ko ro te show talk ko chỉ riêng mà cha là đồ baro đó chung là queer but che look nên kia so then the reason này đã này talk rig to tonic kia mu con bên ko cái điều gì để cái solve để mình em yên out cái queer chỉ là solution on yên queer ko ram mome take ditch chỉ solution ana ko dong de yer no bene ka big bet telam bikana lat ke tela dorm bikana lar ko do badan bije ke je so no makar wade nyo da jin kan te experience ve te ko ko michigan me shamal je de menong okay so te tenamo so rami mo mi la mi la kwa ni shang misha je yen and then me la follow nyok a kor la diktung wala kana talk jelen kula nen la na la ken shirke la kan ka top ba advice mi rong ba je top coordinating ko ken bigate ka liang komadan de rodo ko de ri so de gurin kapchong ba te gane di cha ja gurgan odong de kan tungwan tilat gurin de kan kapchong cause due to the fear, you know, like we know more and then so they just let the things be the way they are. But this is not the solution. Solution and la gor kenishang lara mo la ja lu no mi na melela, but there will be consequences ka action and that and that. Ko mi yan ka kwar shremen chaling and ci kono lat ko dien there and there take experience ga ken wan mo waram wale ne to ngeda go no take a supporter take a follower take a nyok jen take a door take a nega to gor ga je then be man la de bi lat jen ka ta da ngu je ka je and then namo bongolel barik baka no there and there ja gu je so yen kwana siang tel dien ma la tuok no kor so cha kwar cha yan ka lora bang me kwar m take a supporter cha de tuok ngono jin wadang na ka kor mi da ka kor yo ba nga jin wo shika pot but you to be intimidate barandun ba yen be threaten, you know, cha to ko chere me chi to to rit ka jen 1955 mo sai ne no me cha kwer me ya nanga Khartoum cha nang na ka ne Port Sudan but tell me she go afterward so chi bin tong chi shu tong civil war ko kwarun mo gwa mo dong de yanang niam and then bia take tar dien me biyana guch so no mo la nong na rik so gwa de me kir me yadit manderlat gore jen wo dara ti dialen konti dong de nat de nang niam dara mal dara jenong for that reason de mal dara ben okay ko kel mugwa long no there and there mal there janok so mete mal de tenden la environment ke li la gwaye la ne dia la kene take la telerik te bro dia lad but met che kwarche je lingwejen wo don ram mo bilet ka tara an take je la roda gwejen wo take a power ka take a long so mi chit kada money la gwano bne dia al buguru dia ngaje no ka ngane so mi nare ngaje no ka na ngane binare realika binare kap kel so ba ram dara len mi shoro lut then ba de gwich ko wang nan de gweje you know bina buanro din kor dwali ka jino ti ka dor she malatke so mena ka dor sha gwani siang so me kep kon dung torit de kon ji gno de ta tuɔk ban ta ma chere ke dung torit ko ne de kon de kwa target ka ne de kon la jino bi na jalabna barai na murai kon ne de kon en kwa target ka nuare ne de kon naka den kwa bom ni siang naka na nuare so ramlara no shikon nyeng nuare chana ka de gwich kel chikor de mat ke ram mo enek nat kisha go no de nuare de ka wonyam so mishir kana me misha kwaran ko nuare cha je yen chana de bit where be we are ko ram mo nuare mugoro de na de ke leverage ke de na jakalor but ke kwiko te ke ne te ko kien te cha je no ram mo then biken te ko kien cha len lat biken kalat men gor kon gwasame ata dan de na de ka ma de ka mal ke je de ka ta mar ke je gor kon de kon tin lat karo goro de na nang niam de kon ko ngaje no ko nguni tin de kon nang niam ke ti gor ge jen o de na cheng alor de na cheng kamal de na cheng re boya boy o de rande ro ngaje no nga ko jin mi kuji your identity no jin Nuer ke jin joromo la loss in the middle ti janga ji go direction down within no then mi shi your identity mi shi kuch chi janga ji no ne de content nake ke de lat ke je ka ne ko la ro da moji ke section on diet ana ya bi kulo poji yo mi ja ju kulo te ji ka ngane nyenya dong bi kulo lingano ne de kon nyen ka Nuare ka na ja and then ba yo ke jin dora dien no gwa do bu poch bilar no Nuer ke ka mu ne ku no na ka jamo ana bi kulo explain it bi laro no ne ko ken jego wal na ga Nuere so na mo karwade be jinong pojirun jen la chunga kel kade de kon la dorun dung mi Nuare nyenyo ta karodien den de ran chu biete chu biete da we yana panya ran gwadam bat en chan gorno Nuare de nyen karodien but ne de kon dakka ka Nuare most the people you take out of jikam ka Nuare mi jene guje ka wi monadam ka kam dial Uganda Kenya Ethiopia Rewika South Sudan dia je siang aja no 4 million te ka refugee camp 2 million refugee camp ka jen Eastern Africa ke East Africa kan go ta kontekten bi jegbo inside South Sudan to IDP camp deten internally displaced people so they are within South Sudan 2.something million people to 10 when more the treasure kaba the joy ka kor mo yen ko 2013 dan right now de ko na jego no tanat lo kan jok especially ko la jor lo kan ka South Sudan ka juba o gi kan obitek den bo go but tek den che de go gwan mo ko displaced ka jano tana ko de mal darben mi mal che benta dong de ram chu enjoy in life de tek de chidele der ko hum la ro mo ne kanere ko ken de chu taking a service and ngum lat kana but when cha ne dia cha ka block ko kan Nuare ke ta dan cha gu ke jeno cha jo den cha jo beling wi na ne siang all those things yar kana so gor jeno bana chong bum kono ko la nat ko kono lat ko den bana ke gwich ka dob dan de kon ga gwi ke je cause this thing they affect our family shike yunta that you can affect kono ko la chal Nuare to conscious ke chuch kono long no tell me cap kono so when it come to our unity bana te lao shikon gor bana mat dan cha gwinyo tell me gor and but tagarwada like she will be tagarwad but bina be could destroy which is very wrong go you know michigan power be destroying your community la Nuer ka instead of order help neka bu gor jeno ba jelin ka dom chorolot la no de kon ke maratama den te dial de ka go de ka normal so jo me mu gor no de nyoga yekel ka ta dana len mwana ro den ga je re wika so stan ani ban je mu de biata man